Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about 10th class Mathematics, State and CBSE. Topic of today topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry introduced by Euclid. So we will discuss the important points of today class. One is Cartesian coordinate system. Second one is derivation of distance formula. And third one is problems by using distance formula. Now we will discuss about the Cartesian coordinate system. First of all, draw the coordinate system. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y dash, this is x dash, 0. Another is the plane can be divided into 4 parts. This is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Divided into 4 parts only. So, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Here, x dash 0x is called x-axis. X-axis, y dash 0y is called y-axis. These two axes are called coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Here in this case, 0 is called origin. 0 is called origin. What are the points in Cartesian coordinate system only? The point says here x comma y both are positive in the first quadrant. Here in this case x is negative, y is positive in second quadrant, and x comma y both are negative in third quadrant. And there is x is positive, y is negative. Is a fourth quadrant only. Suppose 2 comma 3, where it is 2 is a first quadrant and 3 second quadrant. Both are positive, is a first quadrant only. This is the first quadrant only. Another is minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 is negative, 4 is positive. That is belonging to second quadrant only. Another is minus 2 minus 3 is belongs to third quadrant. 2 comma minus 4 belongs to fourth quadrant only. Therefore, these are the quadrants. Another is suppose 2 comma 0, where it is 2 comma 0 is all located in x-axis only. This is 2 comma 0, and minus 2 comma 0 is negative x-axis. Another is 0 comma 3, where it is. This is 0 comma 3 is the y-axis and positive y-axis. 0 comma minus 3 is negative y-axis. 0 comma minus 3. This is the Cartesian coordinate system. Completely how to locate the problem, how to locate the points, what are the points, which points will belong to which quadrant, depending on the situation only, right? Next one is the derivation of distance formula. How to derive distance formula? By using a Cartesian coordinate system only. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is x and this is y. Suppose P is x comma x1 comma y1, Q is x2 comma y2. P is one point and Q is another point. How can find the distance between P and Q? First of all, we draw the line. This is P, x1, y1, Q, x2, y2. Right? So, this length is nothing but it is y1. This length is y1. This length is x1. This length is x1. And this length is y2. This total length is y2. And draw this one. So this length is total length is x2. From coming to the point, this is PQ R S T. This is the diagonal. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle triangle only, right? So therefore we can find the distance between 2 points P and Q only. this length only. Whenever this is a rectangle triangle, immediately we can find this length QT and that is PT. How can find QT? The total length is P from S. Here QS is equal to Y2. QS is equal to Y2. PR is equal to Y1 only. Another is OR is equal to X1. OS is equal to X2. Therefore RS is equal to X2 minus X1. Another is QT is equal to Y2 minus Y1. Because the total length is Y2. This length already Y1 is there. Therefore you want to find out this length only. This length is nothing but immediately Y2 minus Y1. Another is this length is X1, this length is X2, therefore this length is X2 minus X1. So it's a rectangle only, it is also X2 minus X1 only. Therefore, in a triangle PTQ, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square, that is PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PT square plus QT square only. What is PQ square? So is equal to, what is PT square? PT square is X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So PT square is equal to, therefore PQ is equal to root over X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. This is called a distance formula between 2 points. It's very, very important points on it, right? So we will discuss one important node point only. T is xy and Q is 0, 0. That means the origin only. Distance from origin means here always direct formula PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 0 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square under root. That is equal to x square plus y square under root only. So distance formula from origin is always directly x square plus xy square under root only. Now we will discuss about some important problems by using a distance formula. Now we will discuss about distance formula by distance between 2 points by using distance formula. Find the distance between 2 points in the following. First problem is A 3, 4, B 1, 2. Second problem 5, 6 and 0, 0. First of all, we solve the first problem. So solution: A is 3, 4, B is 1, 2. This is written as x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So distance between 2 points is, this is a point A, this is B point only, right? So distance between 2 points means, what is the formula? AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So you put the values, x1 is 3, x2 is 1, that is x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 whole square under root. That is equal to minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square only under root. This is minus 2 whole square means 4 plus is 4 only. So what is the answer? 4 plus 4, 8 only. So 8 means 2 root 2 is the answer only. 2 root the answer only. But second problem, second one, here one point is 5, 6, another point is 0, 0. So by using a node condition, distance between 2 points is, this is x, y, this is the origin only. So PQ, this is P and this is Q. PQ is equal to, what is the formula? Directly 5 square, directly x square plus y square. This is equal to 5 square plus 6 square only. So this answer is 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Is nothing but is nothing but 61 is the answer only. So thank you very much for good listening.